Your family's gonna see the monkeys now? Aww. Okay, what? Oh, why thank you.
Matt, you shouldn't be getting in contact with humans, you know.
Not as bad as the other animals think.
Wait. What's that you're chewing?
Nothing.
No. You're eating something.
Maybe.
What is it?
Some peanuts.
Some what?
Some peanuts.
Dude, how many times have I told you not to eat human food? Who knows what's in their food that could affect our system?
Why not? It's not like we have anywhere to go. Just look around us. We're basically stuck in a prison. So why don't you just live it up and try new things? Besides, they're salted.
Yeah, I guess you're right. Been here since I was a little calf and been miserable ever since. I just want to get out and see the world, you know?
Sorry, were you saying something?
Now what are you eating?
Man, must you criticize everything I do?
What is it?
For your information, it's cotton candy.
Dude, cotton candy isn't good for you.
Shut up. You're just trying to scare me.
I'm serious.
Whatever.
Fine, get sick.
I think you were right about the cotton candy.
I told you.
Oh God, I think I'm gonna throw up.
Do it over there. Oh, over there.
Oh God, this is coming up.
Hey, how's it going, folks? Just a sickly giraffe, nothing to see here.
Oh my God, it's coming up. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. I didn't see you there. Oh God, it's everywhere. Just look at it. Oh, you poor baby. I puked on that old poor woman too. Oh, the monkeys are gonna laugh at me forever. Oh my gosh. Oh, that poor dog. He's covered in puke. Oh my God. Is that cotton candy? There we go. Here, just let it run. We'll just cut that out in a second. All right, we're testing levels now. Do you have your speakers on? You do? Okay. I'll give you the range, and then you adjust the gain for it. Okay. All right. I probably won't get much louder than this. I won't. To low. Can you hear all that? Is that good? Good levels. Am I peaking?
In the red.
It will. The bar will have a red light on top of it, and if I peaked, it will stay red. That means you have to adjust the gain down. We're good? Do I keep on going? Oh wait, let me put on the cans. These are interesting and okay, never mind. There we go. You need to push the button just for me to hear you. Whenever? Okay.
What? My eyes want to go like this way. Some what? Some what? Some what?